here's the new kitchen fan. I'm getting a CEC Georgian from Brian Binkley. It'll probably end up in here. If not, it'll end up upstairs somewhere. But for now, I got this Menards Minerva ceiling fan in here. I got it for 10 bucks from an old neighbor. Actually, I think I got this one cheaper than the other one. I think I got this for 5 bucks, and the other one was 10 bucks. Don't remember, but it does work pretty good. And these fans actually move a lot of air. I mean, you can feel the air from down here pretty well. It hums a little bit, but it's no big deal to me. Doesn't really bother me that much. Go to medium. And low. They also make these in white and brass. This one's silver with silver blades, but I got the wood side down. The other side is silver. Not a bad looking fan, I don't think. And off. But yeah, it's a pretty nice fan for what it is. I like it. For a cheaper fan, I would say this is a pretty decent thing to get. It's going to take a while to coast down, I have a feeling. There is tape on one of the blades, as you can probably see. Can't get that off for the life of me. Well, I could, but I haven't really tried, to be honest. And I gotta fix the ceiling up there, as you can see. I need to get one of those medallion things for in here, because the ceiling is wrecked up there. But anyway, there's the Menards Minerva ceiling fan. I think this one was from 2008. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.